Hi there. How are you? Are you good? I hope so. Today we will look at some words that you might still be mispronouncing. For example, be quiet. Be quiet. Shh, be quiet. Not friendes, friends. Not guestes, guests. That's right. Not trainers, trains. For example, like the train station. Not eggs, eggs. One man, M-A-N. Many men, M-E-N. Another word that you might be confused with is mean, M-E-A-N. One means the definition of something. Yeah? What does it mean? What does this word mean? Yes? And the other one, M-E-A-N, also means when you are not nice to somebody. You can say, don't be so mean to her. Don't be so mean to him. Sometimes the children can be mean, right? But they are not always mean. They are nice. So if you can think of any more words that you need help with your pronunciation, do let me know in the comments below. Until then, bye for now.